So my last Black Friday cop finally arrived. Um, Looks like the box went through some things in transit. I already don't like Adidas boxes honestly because they're so flimsy, and then this joint's broken up. But eventually they're gonna make their way into a clear case anyway. But yeah, I was kind of nervous with this one, man. I guess after a lot of people start catching on to the Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale, or I guess when people got paid, whatever the case was, orders were getting like backed up. Cause like my first two orders, shipped out ASAP. This one, and then I ordered some shirts. They were sitting for a while, so I was like, "Yo, am I gonna get these? They gonna cancel the order or what?" Because I went back to the site, and my size, the size 12 and a half, was sold out. So I didn't know if that was my pair or it was like previous pairs. Sometimes companies oversell because they don't update the system, or the system is not equipped to take out the inventory once it's purchased. So I was like, man, I don't know what's going on. But luckily they shipped out, and here we are. Finally get the review up for you. They definitely wrap these joints up, man. I don't know. I think somebody touched my shoes, man. Because the other pair was wrapped up really tight. The box was untouched. These fell right out of the wrapper. Like somebody's been trying them on or something. So we got another Roverend Adventure by Adidas. We got the I would read out the color code, or like the color description, but I have no idea what any of that says. So I'm just gonna guess. It's like a light orange peach or something like that. Y'all be the judge. See, is that popping up in the camera? I think this is my favorite colorway out of the two that I copped, to be completely honest. So you got that orange upper, that cage. You have the gray underneath it, the underlay, I would say. I think that's what it's called. I know this is the orange, like the overlay. Then you have the three stripes in that khaki or beige. I know that's popping. Let me get a close up. So you get the beige three stripes with that charcoal gray underneath. You also get that beige leather going across the mid panel as well as the toe. And then it's kind of like, I guess it is like another, it's a darker shade of orange on that toe box going up to the tongue. The inside of the liner, of course, you got that khaki or tan colorway as well. What color is this? It looks like a brown. Maybe like a brown. Back here on the heel tab, or like the heel of the shoe. Then you get that little pink right here on the heel. Like, yeah, it's like, like the bubblegum dunks. It's pretty, it reminds me of that. Like that hint of pink right there. Of course, you got that Adidas midsole, look like the craters and everything. Then the bottom is crazy. That translucent, whatever color this is, maroon, brown. I'm definitely a fan of these, man. Like, I know Adidas, has been in the headlines for the wrong reasons as of late. But when it comes to certain models, like newer models, I mean, hey, they do what they need to do as far as that, Treating your employees or your collab artists or whatever you want to call it, man, that's a whole different story. But when it comes to innovation, not complaining at all. Definitely a great fall shoe if you care about seasonal stuff. I mean, I'm gonna wear these whenever, but definitely I can see the fall vibes, man. Definitely layered outfit. Throw these on, hit the pop of color with that orange is, yeah, definitely dope. And let me know what y'all think about this style, man. I know a lot of people. I'm not even gonna say that because I know for me, I had no idea about this style until I randomly seen them on the website. So does anybody know about these? Like, were they hype or what? But I mean, half off. It couldn't have been that hype. You know what I'm saying? I'm glad I was able to catch it for the steal, man. $100 for these joints. Yeah, it's definitely a well put together shoe. It's definitely constructed nicely. Yeah, I like these better than the blue joints. And the pair that I'm referring to, I'm definitely gonna link it up there. I would do my best to double check, because I know I was informed that whenever I say look up there, the links don't pop up. And I definitely insert the links, but I guess I'm not saving it, or I'm not like double checking to make sure that my input was, you know, calculated, I guess, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, the blue review is going to be up there, mark my words. But yeah, appreciate y'all for watching. Yeah, I'm glad to finally get these. Can't wait to throw these on and see how it goes, man. Catch y'all next one.